So I'd like to take you to my meditation area. This is the wicking trough. I recently cut this cactus back. It was getting way too big. It was about 3 feet tall, ready to fall over on me. But I want to show you. It grows in water. It's been there since 2015. This is also wicking. There's water in the bottom there. It's really nice for starting plants. But I like to have fun with it, so, you know, growing some cattails and got watercress on the other side there. This is an earthen bed, which I'll get that into the earthen bed later. Triangular oxalis. And let's see, it's got a eggplant here. Got a little eggplant flower there. So this is coming into my meditation area, and this is trumpet vine. Gonna have to beat our way through the bushes here. I don't know if you can hear the bees. They like it. They like everything around here. There's lots of flowers. So anyhow, yeah, this is my meditation chair, and the trumpet vine creates sort of a cave in here, and I can sit here and look out onto my garden.